Hey guys, Back Gaming here. So today is the 2023 March vacuum of the month, and for some of you guys have wanted to see this or not, but this one has not been used for a while, but I'll do vacuum of the month with it anyways. So for 2023 March vacuum of the month, yeah, there's leaves all over. But anyways, is of course the Hoover windtunnel propelled Ultra. 2 years ago, I got it off of Facebook Marketplace, and when I first got it, it has a really bad belt, and it has some of those controls where red is dirty, green is clean. When I turn on, this thing was on red, so I'm thinking maybe this one hasn't been cleaned. So I took it apart, cleaned it out. When I turned it on, it was still red. So I swapped some of the other parts of the other propelled and put on this. So, and the foot release was broke off. Well, the foot release wasn't broke, it's just that the base to it broke off, but yeah, so, and the headlight was burnt out. Had to put a new headlight in there, so. Yeah, and I keep forgetting to get a new belt, so, like, I do need to order a new belt pretty soon, and there are a bunch of vacuum parts I need to order, because I'm holding up too much space. So, I'll do this review. You got patented wind tunnel, got height adjustments. I already put it up on high, so the belt won't slip off. So, got low, got high, medium, low. Got brush wheel on and off. So you turn it off for hardwood floors and then turn it off for carpet. It's got 12 amps. So, yeah, everything else. Show you guys the brush roll. Yes, I do need to get a new belt. So, got the headlight right there, and here's the bag. So you just remove it. Hasn't really been changed. There's nothing really much in there. Also got the filter underneath. So there's the filter. Put that in there. And right here you got the bag check indicator, which tells you that it's time to change your bag or if there's any clogs. And you've got the filter on the side. So it's not really that dirty, but I'm not even gonna bother it. And you also have attachments. So trying to get it off here. Your turbo brush hasn't really been used, but this one's in good conditions. So, and on the back, it's like has a full accessories, like a full attachments. It's got two extension ones. Grabber's tool, some of them is off of the Wind Tunnel Plus. Got dusting brush and the upholstery tool. Like every part was off of the Wind Tunnel Plus because I scrapped it. Right here's your foot release, and you got the cord. So it's not really that long, but I did put a brand new cord on this because it got torn up. Unless it's off of the I don't know, on the back is your carry handle. And, well, I don't know if you guys can see on top, but it's your on and off switch. And you got the self-propelled control. I did put it on the way off because it would not go on off because I had to turn the self-propelled off. So I'll go ahead and do a demonstrate for you guys. Sorry if this is a long video for you guys. Get my earplug in. So if the belt slips off, then I'm not gonna bother, like, whatever, because I need to order a new belt. So that's gonna be soon, because I need to get rid of some of the vacuums because I'm holding up too much space. Because, yeah, but anyways, volume warning, this thing is loud. So here it goes. Apologize for the headlight that poof in the middle of nowhere. So yeah, like I said, I need a new belt, need every parts of the machine. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video of the 2023 March backing up the month. I'm gonna have to vacuum the rest of the carpet with some other machine, but thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.